Guys, it's Captain Crazy here. I'm joined by you.
Foggy.
Yeah. So today
We're gonna be shooting guns at this $500 camera. And we don't know why we're doing it. We just want to.
yeah, look, it's a video recorder. It records HD. It has quality zooming, but it's very expensive. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot it with this BB gun, right? I got it. He's going to take the second shot.
Okay, set it down on the ground. One. I hit it.
You did? Let's see.
I'm gonna pocket it just in case I didn't.
It looks like it. Right there, sort of.
Yeah.
Not that much, though. Not enough damage. I have an idea that we should do.
Oh, let me hit the screen. I call for shots on the screen.
It's pretty new.
Oh, yeah, I caught it that time.
Camera's glitching out. Look.
Man, that was a good, nice dent. Here, take the second.
Here, let's see that closer.
I'll
Oh,
get it close
dang.
for
The
you.
camera's glitching out.
Oh, man.
No, I don't think I hit it. Did I? Oh, yep, I sure did. So, look at the screen now, guys. I got it right there. You guys see that? That's a dent right there.
Oh, my God.
And the screen is just destroyed.
Okay, let me shot it. Let me shoot it from here, too. Let me
Okay.
get down in Hunter's position. It blacked out!
Oh, yep.
Oh, my
Oh, look, it
God.
cracked. Look at this, guys.
First crack
Wait, don't try and take it off.
day.
But look,
Oh, my
it cracked. Look, that's where the BB hit,
Yeah,
right there.
We should try breaking the glass, though. That was a good shot, but we gotta do better. Oh! Look at that! Oh, man, let me get another shot. Oh, another direct hit.
Let me see. Oh, there's two.
Here, let me do a second
man.
shot.
This thing's here. Let me see if it still turns on. It still does.
You even know what that is?
Look at that, though. Look at the
Wait.
screen. It's so messed up. Ooh. Guys, look at what he just did.
That was
The
there.
circuit
Oh, man. Let's shoot the circuit board. I call circuit board shot.
No.
Wait.
Let's not do the circuit board yet. Let's see if it still turns on. It still turns on. How?
Oh, my God. You get a circuit board shot.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Part 2 of our stream because our dad came and we almost got caught.
My dad.
Yeah, your dad. Yeah. But now, guys, we're gonna destroy this hack of junk here.
Look at here. I'm gonna show them
the
the.
$500 piece of junk.
Yeah. The stuff is right here. It's really broken.
Wait, I'm gonna try shooting the memory chip.
Here, wait. I may actually want the memory chip. I just realized. So here's the damage so far. So if this would focus, we have not damaged much of the circuit board. But then over here, it's a different story. The screen is completely busted. This is coming off the front screen piece of plastic. These buttons are fine still. We need to shoot those up more.
Yeah, let me get a shot on those. I'm gonna shoot the OK button.
Oh, where is it?
Did it hit? That's the thing.
It did. I don't know where though.
Oh, there it is. I hit the OK
Oh,
button.
yeah. Here, let me
But
see.
just barely, though.
So right
Yeah, don't
there,
you see
there's a little
guys?
notch. Yeah.
Let me. Okay, I have focused it. So fire when
Put the camera out there though.
Oh, yeah, sure. Oh, the battery came out.
Oh.
Shoot the battery.
No, dude, that'll kill us. Ooh, I saw that one happen. Oh, right there, guys. Regan, look. See that hole?
Yeah, it busted straight
Oh,
through
yeah.
to the circuit board. Guys,
Look at the dents.
Oh man, those 2 shots. But we gotta snap it.
Here, wait.
That's a good shot.
I'm just gonna add some extra footage. Oh my god, look at how much damage I did to it.
I got an idea.
Wait, no, let me show them.
That's
how much damage I did.
Let's just take the screen out by itself.
Wow! Wow!
Oh, it's all straight through it. Oh man, let's take this thing apart.
No, dude.
No, wait, I'm only taking the circuit board off.
Look at that.
Oh man. Here, you get this. Wait.
Those are the batteries. 3, 2, 1.
Oh man.
Here,
It's like a little computer. The Apple 8, the tiniest computer in the world.
Okay, this is gonna cut us. Let's not mess with that anymore.
Yeah.
Now it's time for this thing. These are the buttons.
Oh my god. Here, let me get into hunter position so then they can just...
Okay, when they see this, they're gonna laugh, okay? My parents...
Oh! That felt good!
Oh my god, look, he knocked that thing loose.
It's a crack!
So we knocked that thing out of here. Look, that's all loose now.
Oh, yeah.
And then where's the crack?
Right there.
Ooh, that's
The
nice.
first snap. If we had 2 pistols...
3, 2... That's that thing that popped out. Okay, now one final shot. We've got a crack right there.
I'll go grab this.
We got all these dents. We knocked that thing off.
What to do on the main bit.
And yeah, yes there is. I'm gonna go and get a hammer. We got a good one, guys.
He's got the hammer, everyone! Wow,
For the first part of this,
I'm gonna shoot it first.
I'm just gonna...
Let me get some hits on there. Come on.
Ooh, that's a piece that came off.
Hit it 2 times. Hitting 1 more. There we go.
Oh my god. Oh, ow.
Oh, come on. It's good enough.
Wait.
1 more good hit.
Ooh.
Oh, this is all this money going to waste.
Oh,
Well, guys, the camera... That's where we're breaking it.
Oh, 500. Oh!
Wait. Take off all the broken pieces.
To keep this part because we are planning on doing a part 2 later because this isn't completely broken yet. I mean, sure, we broke off the back, which now looks like a gun, and the circuit board's pretty messed up. Or no, and the back is pretty messed up, but the circuit board is completely fine. This is the part that connected to the screenshot. By circuit board, by batteries. I don't really need you guys anymore. Oh, I need this though. I want that. This can just go. Bye. Bye, guys. I'll miss you. We might do a second part of this. That's the end of the video. If you guys liked it, then smash that like button. And try and get a lot of likes because I want to persuade my parents that this was awesome. We weren't playing video games while we were doing it either. Don't forget to subscribe also so that we do more videos like this. And I'll see all you guys later. Bye.